guys, I'm Himani and welcome back to another episode of Level Up. And in today's episode, we're actually taking it a notch above all the rest of the challenges because I'm going to be doing my whole face using only art supplies. Yes, you heard me right, almost like going back to school, but instead of painting a canvas, I'll be painting my face. But don't worry guys, because I'll be using safe and non-toxic art supplies. So without any further delay, let's begin. So I'm going to be starting with my foundation. So guys, this is it, and I truly believe that I created a masterpiece, and whoever said that makeup artists are not true artists were clearly wrong. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next episode of Level Up.